Thinking about selling your home and wondering how to make it stand out? I'm Mac Mallon with Blue Coast Realty, and I want to show you how our marketing goes way beyond just sticking a sign in your yard. It all starts with professional visuals. We're talking high quality photos and drone footage that shows off your home from every angle. Whether it's your big backyard, a great location, or a pool that deserves to be seen, we capture it all from above. Then, we create video tours that actually tell your home's story. It's more than just a walkthrough, it's designed to help buyers imagine what it's like to live there, and that's what gets them in the door. Next, we hit social media and digital marketing hard. Targeted Facebook and Instagram ads, custom reels, stories, email campaigns. We make sure your home is seen by serious buyers, not just casual scrollers. We also help you prep your home with staging and timing that works. Because when everything's in place and launched strategically, the momentum that builds, and that's what leads to more showings, stronger offers, and better results. So, if you want your home to be seen, and more importantly, sold, let's talk. From drone to deal, the Blue Coast team is here to make it happen.